In Yarbo settings, you can find the Reinstall docking station option. Use this process when relocating the charging station. Don't worry, after reinstalling the docking station, there's no need to redraw the map. Simply add the pathway connecting to the docking station. Follow the instructions to choose the docking station installation location. Ensure a strong network and GPS signal in the area. Drive Yarbo to the designated location and click "Here it is." Continue with the installation and power up the fixed docking station. Ensure the side with the lightning icon is facing up. Then position the docking station in your desired location. Secure it firmly in place. Finally, save the docking station position. Back the Yarbo onto the docking station. Click the Save Position button. Congratulations! The docking station reinstallation is complete. Don't forget to add a pathway to connect the new docking station.